In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the grid in Lucidchart, and we'll have it wrapped up in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to create cleaner presentations or simplify your workspace, turning off the Lucidchart grid can help you achieve a more streamlined design. Let's dive into it. First things first, we need to head over to Lucidchart's website. If you aren't familiar with Lucidchart, it is an incredibly versatile tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts that's beloved by many for its easy to use interface. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll want to find the login button. This is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Go ahead and type in the email address associated with your Lucidchart account. If you've got your browser set up to remember usernames and passwords, Autopilot might handle this for you. Next, hit Next to proceed. This will take you to the next step of entering your password. Now's the time to enter your secure password. Once done, click on the login button, and just like that, you'll be logged into your Lucidchart account. With access to your Lucidchart account, move over to the Documents section. This is where you can access all your existing files, designs, and templates. Pick the document you'd like to work on by clicking on Open File. This should open up your document in the editor where we'll carry out the task of removing that grid. Next, position your mouse and perform a right click anywhere on the workspace. You'll be greeted by a contextual menu popping up. From this menu, select Document Settings. A sidebar will appear on the right part of your screen. Paying attention to this sidebar, look for the option that reads Grid and Snapping. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Located in this section, you'll find the option Show Grid. This checkbox indicates whether the grid is visible on your workspace. If the box is checked, it means the grid lines you see are actively displayed. To remove the grid, all you have to do is click on this Show Grid checkbox to uncheck it. Instantly, you'll notice the grid disappearing from your Lucidchart workspace. And there you have it, a distraction-free canvas ready for your creativity and precision. With these simple steps, you've successfully removed the grid in Lucidchart, allowing you to focus purely on your content without the structure lines